Your sneeze is faster than a Formula One car. When you sneeze, that blast is traveling at 100 miles per hour, shooting mucus and bacteria out of your face faster than most cars on the motorway. And the reason your eyes automatically slam shut, your body is genuinely afraid they might pop out of your skull from the pressure. That violent explosion is your nervous system hitting the emergency eject button, clearing out invaders at highway speeds. You are basically a biological cannon firing at full force every time you catch a cold. Like and subscribe to find out what happens when you try to hold a sneeze in. And comment below what body fact we should blow your mind with next.